All right, we're gonna see what happens when I tint my Corvette using only things from Amazon. So we bought this cheap film from Amazon. Not sure how it is as far as working with it. And then we bought these tools, painter's plastic, got a spray bottle from Amazon, and Awesome from Amazon. So let me crack this open. Curious to know if there is an actual razor blade in here, because my Corvette currently has the passenger window tinted. So we're going to first remove it. So let's see what I got in here that will help me remove it. I see a knife, so that's gonna be useful. Jeez, this is, oh, okay. Blade has a lot of play, but it's metal. Some of these things are the same things we use here in the shop on a daily basis. And this painter's plastic is one of them, so. All right, I'm gonna throw down some of this 3M tape. This is designed for stucco. Works really well as a tape for our painter's plastic to stick to. Take my painter's plastic, cover the door up, extend it a little bit. Now this blue painter's tape has something to stick to. Oh, the next thing I gotta do is trick the window. So I'm gonna do that right here. I'm going to make the window, make the car think that the door is shut. Boom. Okay. Now I'm going to use my knife to get the film started. You know, everyone talks shit on Amazon and this and that, so we just wanted to see what we can do purchasing everything from Amazon. Now I'm going to use the Awesome from the dollar store. Or excuse me, you can get it from the dollar store. We got it on Amazon this time when we ordered everything else. The longer I let this sit, the easier it's going to be. Because I don't see a metal razor blade. Typically I would use regular razor blades. And I guess in theory you can buy these on Amazon. But in this case, we're going to see if we can get the job done with this plastic razor blade. While I let that sit, I'll clean the outside of the window. Definitely can't use my True Spray system because you can't get that on Amazon. These white scrub pads we get on Amazon in a full sheet, and then we cut them up into little squares. The best squeegee I got for this in this little kit is going to be this. So I'm going to have to squeegee not only this off using this squeegee, but I'm gonna have to install the film using this squeegee.
How would you grade the toolkit that you got if you had to grade it?
A 2 on a scale 1 to 10. 10 having everything I wish it had. I wouldn't even want to try doing a back window with this toolkit. Alright, let's see what happens with the plastic razor blade. This is gonna take a while. It's definitely not removing the glue like a metal razor blade, which doesn't surprise me.
Yeah, I'm in my prime, one of a kind. I put in the work, I put in the grind. Don't go to bed cause I don't got time. I'm moving ahead, they falling behind. Never been scared of taking a climb, and I gotta get it, I can't be denied. Nobody ever be dim on my light cause I've been a star, it's my time to shine. Already feel like I'm one of the best, I beat all the odds.
Alright, I definitely don't recommend using a plastic razor blade full removal, but if you hypothetically got a ticket, you could at least get it removed in order to be able to get the ticket signed off. Because in reality, you just need to have the film off to get the ticket signed off. You don't need to have the glue off.
I'm playing roulette, I don't want fame, I want respect. I'm rocking a Nike cause I be getting a check. Never seen nobody like me cause it's...
I'm trying to come up with the glue instead of pushing it down. Extra attention around this little stamp. Now I'm going to use this handy dandy tool to clean out the bottom gasket. Not bad. Feel the window scrub pad razor blade it off, and my razor blade sucks. And then do a visual inspection. This squeegee is super flimsy. I'm not going to be able to get very much water out at all when I go to squeegee it out. Alright, let's check this Amazon film out.
It looks like a magic wand.
Hey, they used good tape to tape it up.
Isn't
I
that
hate that it's wound up so tight. But I guess they got to do that for shipping.
when they got in the
35%. It says PC 35 and 20. Okay, it's rolled up the right way. That's good. The line. I think it's 35% film on a 20-inch roll, is what I'm guessing. And it's not a horrible color, but I'm not in love with it either. It already has a little purplish hue to it. It doesn't feel super thin.
Do you know how long ago? Like 25 minutes ago?
Ooh, these are really smooth. This I'm gonna have to use to squeegee out.
So that one's better than the other squeegee.
I would say so. Yes. This is like impressively smooth. Now I didn't get a Sharpie. Obviously we could buy a Sharpie on Amazon. Let's see how this blade actually goes. Actually it came with replacement blades. So let me put a new blade on there. I don't think we're gonna be using that anymore.
Not too many real ones left. Everyone trying to fit into the trends. I just be living the way that I want to the end. Killer whenever I hop on the beat. They showing me love since 2016. Back in the day, I came on the scene. I was fed up, now I'm living the dream. Make sure my family good. All that I care about, I don't need anything more. Always been misunderstood.
It feels a little bit, feels thick. This knife sucks.
They thought I was crazy until I pulled up in the Porsche. Check out the resume, the numbers don't lie, the boy getting paid. I could retire today, but I got a whole lot I still gotta say. Who would have thought I'd make it this far? The sky's the limit if you working hard. I made the beat and I wrote the bars. I'm in control and I've been in charge, yeah. I've been in my prime, please don't waste my time. Got the money on my mind, I see dollar signs. If I want it, I'ma get it. If I said it, then I meant it. They be thinking it's a game.
Not bad. Not how I would normally do it, that's for sure. Alright, now I'm going to set up fingers. Because this window does need quite a bit of shrinking.
Tell them I make them a way to the top. I'm coming to take what's mine. People gon' talk all day on the internet. They be giving advice online. I just keep doing me for 365. I never gon' pay no mind. What they gon' tell me about my life that they done better in their own time. I'm on a different level, they can't relate.
Hey, we're getting the job done. Doesn't shrink as good as what we're used to. That's for sure. Can definitely tell a difference here. But I don't think it's so bad to where it changes the technique. If you could shrink with this and then you go to a professional film, you're just going to be that much better.
Down prime time like a heavyweight. I've been getting ready for the takeover. I'm getting better on a day to day. Got bigger goals, got bigger plans. My brain power is too advanced. I never left this shit to
Definitely doesn't shrink as good as what we're used to. That's the first thing I'm really noticing. It's more prone to creasing. It doesn't want to coil as much. So the point of this video is to see what somebody would end up with if they tried to order everything off of Amazon and do it in their garage. So for that reason, I'm not gonna, is this a stainless steel blade? It doesn't say stainless steel, so I'm not gonna use it to cut on my window. But I'm trying to do everything as if maybe I'm in my garage and I don't have a peel board. So I'm gonna round my corners on this card. All right, got the corners rounded up. I'm gonna do a final squeegee over here. Clean this off, make sure there's not awesome on it. I'm gonna open up the gasket and get water underneath there like I like to do. Final spray.
Hands been calculated like a math exam. I'm pushing the pace. My roller got diamonds inside of the face. My condo got views up over Biscayne. This life got a price that you gotta pay. Watching the sun rise over the ocean. Thinking about how I came a long way. Never take nothing I earned for granted, cause I know it could be gone in a day. The moment never too big for me. My competition is me. Only the pressure making me more focused. The world is mine like I'm Tony. My idols turn to my rivals now. I'm making noise. They can't ignore me. I'm coming up for that spot now, cause it's my time and I want the glory.
Assuming this person in their garage isn't going to do a shaved edge. But they might. If you watch the Window Film Academy. Got a decent gap. Except for the corner. The corner looks horrible. The color doesn't look that bad from in here actually. Color's decent. Doesn't look as bad as I thought it did. It looks a little blue now. This card's so smooth, I'm gonna use this to get out a bunch of moisture. Oh yeah. It was like impressively smooth.
I've been in my prime, please don't waste my time. Got the money on my mind, I see dollar signs if I want it.
Alright, let's squeegee it off. See how it looks. It's not bad. I think somebody doing this for their first time in their garage would be pretty happy with this job. This is exactly why I'm so passionate about window tinting. You guys, for $20, you can get the job done. Obviously, you're eventually gonna want some different, more professional tools, but for $20, you can get started with YouTube videos. Then once you realize you're committed, then you get the Window Film Academy, then you get some professional film, and within a few months, you can have a skill set to make 6 figures a year. Because look, it's nothing in this kit was so cheap that it didn't work. It works the same way that professional products do. Not bad. Definitely to our benefit to use a peel board, to have a Sharpie, which obviously you can get a Sharpie on Amazon. It would have been nice to have metal razor blades, which we have here, but I was trying to use only the stuff we ordered on Amazon, and we forgot to order metal razor blades from Amazon, stainless steel razor blades. So the removal would have went quicker, but I mean, honestly, somebody can tint somebody's car out of their garage using this film, and there's a lot of people that would be happy with this. So definitely better than I expected it to be, and once again solidifies why I love this industry so much, because anyone can get started with just a little bit of discipline, or a lot of discipline for that matter. But all you need to do is practice repetitively, over and over and over, commit, and before you know it, you'll have a skill set you can make 6 figures with.
I put it, now me and the money are way too attached. Still repping 919, the city is mine, and I put it all on the map. Coming for what I deserve, I put in the work.